Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this and asked how to do that to make like a picture frame. And I just did this real quick. I could have made it identical with making larger circles in the middle or smaller circles, but I think this looked pretty unique. So I thought I'd show them how to do that. I've got a 6x6 square. I'm gonna draw a 1-inch circle. I've got my ratio lock, so when I just hit one, it'll do it both. I'm gonna put it right there on that corner. I'm gonna hit D for duplicate, Control D. I'm gonna have it snap to there. I'm gonna grab this and go to Effects and Blend, and I'm gonna blend 7 times. See what happens. That looks good enough. Now, to make this work, the best way is to select it all again, go up to Object and break the blend apart. Go select it all again, go up to Object and ungroup it all. I've got my nudge factor set on 6 inches, so let's Control D and make a duplicate and move that down. So now it's at 6 inches. I'm gonna hit the plus sign this time so it won't make the duplicate would go off the page. I'm gonna rotate this one 90 degrees. I am going to grab it all, and because I'm working in the center of the page, I'm going to have it snap to it. Now, because I've got them all ungrouped together, I can delete that other circle, which is a duplicate. Now I'm going to take just these 5, or whatever it is, and hit the plus sign, which is the same thing. Hold down the control button until it, okay, I missed that one circle. Let's back up here. So we need to delete, and if you ever don't know if it's deleted, you can always hit it. Now let's grab all these, Control D this time to make a duplicate, same thing. You don't really have to hold down the control button, but it might help you to get it in the midpoint. Now I'm gonna take away our rectangle, and I'm gonna select all these, and I'm gonna weld. Now to get rid of that, we could do this. We could hit P, put it in the center of the page. And if you like the circles on the inside, if you don't, just take the Smart Fill tool and take that away. And then you've got just a frame, or you could have a border around the frame, and you can make this frame any size you want. So that's how I do it. Now, if you wanted to do it more like the picture, before we welded it together, you could stretch these out, or let's try making this like 1.5. It'll grow from the inside out. We can, might even be an easier way to do this. I could probably select them. I don't think you could select them all. There is a macro you could do that. Now let's weld them, see what the difference is. You know, you get a totally different look. You can just play around that, and if you didn't like, you know, if he really likes this one, these are just stretched out circles. And so you made bigger circles and maybe even moved them in more. But that's how I would do it. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.